Hi everyone, quick video showing you some of the benefits of using Optuma Symbol Lists. So if you have them added to your account, in the security selection window you'll see a Symbol Lists tab. So this is where you'll see your own lists if you've imported them or from a CSV for example, or created your own manual lists. But under Optuma Lists, this is where you'll see the lists for the data that you have access to. So for example, I've got European and Australian and US data on my account, so I'll see all these symbol lists here. So as we scroll down, I've got ASX market cap indices, I've got the DAX and Dow Jones, and other US including the Russell 3000 and the sector indices. So for example, S&P 500 industrials, that is the current list or the current members of the industrials index for the S&P 500. Now I'm going to scroll back up to the ASX. So these are the ones we recently added. So let's say ASX 50. I'm going to open list as, and I can open all 50 as charts, as an RRG, as a watch list, or as a page layout. So I've got a number of saved page layouts here, so I'm going to open up my 3 chart with a watch list. So this is the ASX 50 on the left in the watch list, and with 3 charts on the screen. And as I scroll down, obviously everything updates as we go, but you'll notice at the top it says ASX 50 because that's what this list is linked to. But let's say I want to change it to something else. So I'm just going to click that, and under symbol lists I'm going to change it instead to the IT sector in the S&P 500. So that's now using that list. But the main thing to be aware of is that these lists are dynamic. So let's say for example ACN gets removed from this list in the next rebalancing, it will automatically disappear from your watch list, and it will be replaced with whoever replaces ACN. So it's a dynamic link, but if you don't want to dynamically update this list, you can right click under properties, you can unlink the list so that it does remain static. But one of the benefits of using the symbol lists is that we maintain the membership so that it's automatic for you, so you don't have to manually adjust your lists. One more example, so let's do a scan. So under the scanning manager, I've got one built here, 52-week high lows and codes to scan. You'll see there's a lists tab here, and under Optuma Lists I've selected the ASX All Ords, and I'm going to close that. And what I've actually done is this scan is linked to an existing workbook. So if I go back here, ASX high low, this scan is now being run as every time we open this workbook. So yesterday, at the time of when this scan was run, there was well, actually I can tell you how many there were. If we change the summary type, we can count. So there's 15 new 52-week closing highs in the ASX All Ords and only one closing low. So again, because this is linked to that scan, this will be a completely different list when we open it tomorrow. It will be whatever passes the scanning criteria. So and again, because it's linked, the scan is linked to the symbol list, whereas this watch list is linked to the scan. It will still update with the current members of the All Ords in this case. So I hope that's been helpful, but if you do have any questions, please let us know. Thanks very much.